What is up, everybody? Welcome back to studio vlog number dos.
Un, dos, trois, un, deux, deux, deux.
Studio vlog number two. Studio vlog number two. I hope these camera settings are okay, because testing some new stuff out, man. Yeah, studio vlog number two. It is probably like a month or 2 months since I filmed the first one. Dog is walking about, so nothing has changed since the first one. But yeah, I wanted to film another one. It is what is the date and day? It's 12:15 on Wednesday, the 1st of May. The 1st of May. This year is kind of, but also going kind of slow at the same time. Yeah, Wednesday the 1st of May, 12:15. And I wanted to get on with some businessy stuff, and I thought I would film it. It's probably not going to be that exciting, so I'm sorry. I have been having a bit of a lazy morning unintentionally. I've been wanting to do a lot of stuff, but I just can't get the motivation going. So I got dressed, stuck up my hair. Sometimes that helps. Hopefully it will today. I have a few things to do. I have a long list of things on my phone to get ticking off. I have done a few things this morning, but not a great deal. I don't know if anybody checked out my Etsy store, but I do have digital prints, and they were all, not all of them, there was a bunch that were quotes from some of my favourite TV shows. But I've decided to take down the digital versions and I'm going to remake them, because honestly I'm not that happy with the font. Literally somebody just bought the print just as I was planning on taking them down, because I wasn't that keen on the font, and someone's going to buy the print. So clearly some other people like the font. I'm just not that fussed. But I want to remake them. I've started remaking some of them, and I'm going to put them back up on Etsy, but there won't be digital prints. They will be me printing them out and posting them to you, kind of prints, or physical prints, as I keep saying. That is one of the plans for today. I have been putting all of the, I just spat there. I've been putting all of the stuff up on my blog. It's not a Clo-Crates or Etsy blog, it's just my blog, but I've been putting the Etsy stuff up on there. So I need to do some more of that. There's a lot of stuff I need to put up on the blog too. I also just need to do a blog post. I've got 4 written, I think. I just need to finish them off and then get the photos for them. And then I need to do some editing for YouTube. I need to take some photos for Clo-Crates for the Tinstas and get that all sorted. And also my Facebook, my Instagram and my Pinterest have the wrong logos for Clo-Crates on them, so I need to sort that out. I've got the logo, but I need to put it on Insta and Pinterest, because I put it on Facebook and I changed it on Etsy, but for some reason I just didn't change it on Instagram or Pinterest, and I don't know why. But I'm going to do that today. That is what I'm going to do. I've got a whole list of things I want to tick off. But because it is 12:15, let's say 4:15, it's not 4:15, 4:12, it's lunchtime. So I'm going to have a little wrap. I got a duck and hoisin and mayonnaise wrap. Never had this before. And I don't know if I like it. I don't have a huge amount of meat, and I also don't eat a huge amount of duck if I do have meat, so who knows. But I'm going to eat that because, you know, I've not procrastinated enough today. And then I'll get on with the business stuff. I just wanted to say hello and give you the rundown for today and what I'm going to be doing. But I'll try and show you, and I'll try and make it a little more interesting than I did in my last one. Maybe, we'll see. We shall see. I'm still getting my grips gonna put the sandwich down. I'm still gonna get into grips with the studio vlog stuff. But yes, I'll catch you after my sandwich. Okay, so duck and hoisin mayonnaise. It's alright. It's alright. Nothing to shout home about. Yes, business time. Business time. I've literally spent most of this morning sorting out all my business folders on my computer. Does anybody else do this? I've literally just been categorizing, renaming and sorting out. Clearly the procrastination is high today, but it looks so much better and I'm so happy. So good one, Chloe. Can't say what to do first though. I need to look at the list. Where is my list? I will take you upstairs actually, because Greg, who is my fiance, had a good idea of making the upstairs into like a little studio slash filming area, but there's not very any nice like spots in our house. I like anyway. But yeah, that is the plan, because my studio currently is my living room, which I don't mind because it means that I don't abandon my dog and stuff, and I feel bad if I do that. I want to remake, where are they?
Prince. Hold the phone.
I want to, again, I would film record, but you know, screen record, but whatever. Yeah, I want to remake all of these because I don't like the font too much. I wonder if I can, nope. I'll put the print here. Yeah, I'm not keen on the font, so I want to remake them. I'll put the new style here. This is how I kind of want to remake them, change the colours about and stuff. And yeah, get up on Etsy. I have a bunch already drafted, ready to go up on Sunday. So I just need to sort out like the titles and the tags and all that for them. What else do I need to do? The camera battery's flashing. No! I feel like this studio vlog is going to be so dull again, but I just wanted to film to get me like, get going. So, this is the old logo that I had on my Instagram. This is the new logo that I'm going to put up right now. Let's sort that out first, shall we? Where can I put you? That's not a bad spot. That's not a bad spot at all. Where did I put the logos? Where did I put the logos? Logos? That would be a good folder to look in. Why isn't it in logos? I don't know where my logos are for anything. Did I find it? I found it. Oh, wait. Got the logo. Let's put it on 10 stars. Looks so much nicer. I got the list. Woo. Change logos. Done. Done, done, done. I also want to make some Facebook unique content, I guess, for Chloe Creates, whether that's videos, whether that's wallpapers, monthly wallpapers or something for your phone, for your computer, whatever. That's kind of my idea for that at the moment. I'm going to do actually is look through Pinterest. Actually, I'm going to make some pins for Pinterest. That's what I'm going to do. For Chloe Creates and for Chloe Bell, but mainly for Chloe Creates, and make some pins for that and get them posted, and that I think is what I'm going to do right now, probably. Some Pinterest stuff, I think. This is my Pinterest. I always leave the link down below, so the link is linked down below if you want to come follow me, or leave me your Pinterest so I can come follow you, because I need some more, I want some more people to follow basically. I like following people on Pinterest. I like seeing their ideas, I like seeing their boards. So if you have a Pinterest, leave it down below, let me know what it is and I'll come follow you. Or if you have an Etsy shop, let me know too and I'll come follow you, or on Instagram or whatever. I think I'm gonna make some Pinterest stuff. So what I do is I make them on I don't make my pins, well I do make my pins on Pinterest sometimes. I make them on Photoshop, and I make them currently, I don't know if there's a better ratio, but currently I looked on Google and stuff and I make it 600 by 900. I'm pretty sure that was the ratio. And then right now I'm just putting my little illustrations that if you've been on my Instagram you'll have seen them. I put them on that. Yeah, 600 by 900 pixels. That's the one I use. And then I shove illustrations like these ones together and I put them on there. And then I will maybe sometimes put a bit of text, not all the time, but sometimes, and that's kind of my plan. I'm going to start putting my prints and stuff on there too, do that kind of thing, because I'm not putting prints up yet. But that is what I do for making my pins, so I'm just going to that, crack on, make as many as I can. My battery's dying, sorry. I'm going to just crack on and make as many pins as I can. You're probably not going to see because I need to charge this battery now, but I'll update you once the battery's charged and once I've done some more. Yes. Okay, so hello and welcome back. My battery's not charged. Yeah, I lighting. My makeup's all come off. I have now not done a huge amount, but I've done the Pinterest stuff that I said I was going to do. Dog. Oh. Excuse me? Cheeky dick. Yeah, I've now done the Pinterest stuff that I said I was going to do. Here are the pins. They're not amazing, I will say that. Hold on. What is your problem? You're so chatty. Yeah, so I've made the Pinterest stuff that I said I was going to make. I have put them onto Tailwind because I'm trying Tailwind out. Is that battery flashing again? No? Yeah? Yeah, I trying it Tailwind, trying the Pinterest stuff on there. So I've scheduled it onto Pinterest. I've also put it onto Pinterest. It's all linked, it's all titled. The pins that I've made aren't amazing, they aren't great. I still feel like they're kind of maybe clickable. And I like that they have like a theme ring through them too, which I like. Hold on, I'll show you. So this is the pins that I've made and scheduled onto Pinterest. This is just my Photoshop, so that was fun. I haven't really used Pinterest a huge amount, but I'm trying to get, well, I have used it a huge amount. I'm trying to use a bit more and utilize the stuff that I got. This is my plan. Well, that's what I've done. Even that's not even my plan, that's what I've done. I think I need to make some more because that wasn't even for Clo Crates, that was for Chloe Bell. So I need to make the Clo Crates ones. Yeah. I have some blog post ideas though, so I'm thinking about doing a blog post at the moment. I can't decide. I had a really shit studio vlog into it again. Still trying to get my feet. I think I will add this on to tomorrow. Add it onto tomorrow. But yeah. I actually, what time is it? I've been trying to post 3 times a day on my Clo Crates Instagram. I've run out of photo ideas, so I need some ideas for photos for Clo Crates. I don't know what to do though. If anybody has any ideas, or even anybody to follow on Instagram, let me know. I'm always looking for new people to follow. yeah, I think what I'm going to do is make the pins for cloak rates, and then I'm also probably going to do the blog post that I have in my head right now, because I've got lots of photos for it. I actually have photos for that one, and I have a video that I can connect to it too, so and then I think I'm going to do some more Pinterest stuff, because I'm really enjoying doing the Pinterest things. Or well, there's a few errors in a couple of my prints that has not gone live yet, but I think I need to fix them before they go live, so I might do that just now. Obviously I'll show you everything that I do. But yeah, and as always, the link for the shop is down below, so if you want to check it out, and or favourite the shop, whatever, that would be cool. Yeah, I'm gonna sit you on my bookcase again, and I'm gonna get making, what did I even say I was gonna do? Pinterest stuff. Is that what I said I was gonna do? Pinterest, pins. Yes, let's do that. Also, I've been obsessed with Avril Lavigne's new album. Lot later now. I didn't get distracted watching Grace Fit UK. You got distracted. She just really she released launched her new activewear company brand, and she posted the try on haul video today, so I wanted to watch it. Still a bit distracted. I can't tell if it's my memory card that's right at Barry. I think it is. Out of Barry? Out of space. But now that I've watched that, and I've done my Pinterest stuff. Did I tell you? I think I did. Did I? Oh, I don't know. I made some new Pinterest ones. So this, ow. Bashed my elbow. Yeah, this is what they are starting to look like. So I've made a couple. Turn my screen back up so I can actually see it. So yeah, that's what they're starting to look like. I put them on Tailwind, and they are going to go on Pinterest, and that'll be good. I also do need to go into Pinterest and start pinning a few things, a few more ideas for prints and illustrations and stuff. That's something I need to do today actually, probably. But it is also 5:30, so I think I might carry this on tomorrow, just because I've not, I don't know, I don't feel like I'm achieving much today, so I don't want to. I feel like I need to start tomorrow and start afresh, and I'll actually like screen record me doing maybe making some prints or something. That could be quite good. But yeah, sorry for the crapness of today, but I will come back tomorrow and we'll make some prints together, and maybe some more illustrations or something, and maybe taking some photos. That could be quite good. So I'll catch you tomorrow / in a second.